What up, it's your boy Mo, and today we're going to talk about what do you need to start trading Forex. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe, be part of the fam, and turn your post notifications on for all our future videos. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys after the intro. Alright, we're back at it, and like I said, today we're going to talk about what do you need to start trading Forex. So the first thing you need, of course, is the education part, which is the most important thing because this is how you're going to become a profitable trader. You need to be consistent and disciplined and coachable and learn every single day and practice as much as you can. So where can you find education? How much these courses cost, or how much education costs for Forex? And where are you able to find free education out there? So let's first talk about where can you find education. So where basically you got all the internet, you got YouTube, you got Google, you got so much resources online that you're able to learn and watch and learn all the basics and the intermediate levels, even strategies and different. So many things are provided online, but sometimes a lot of people will get confused and they don't know what to learn. They don't know what strategy that will work with them. When it comes to the cost, there's so many courses out there that cost thousands of dollars. There's so many companies like MLMs that offer education, but mostly they focus on the network marketing side. From what I've experienced, I suggest that when you want to actually learn about trading and become a profitable trader, don't start with an MLM company, because a lot of people will get you to focus on the network marketing side, and you're not going to end up learning how to trade, and then that part is not going to be good for you. Okay, so you need to start with a mentor. You need to find a mentor that has a very good course that is actually up there in the space in the Forex market, that is known and that is a profitable trader, six-figure or seven-figure trader, and that can teach you all the ins and outs when it comes to Forex. So these courses, like I said, they can cost up to $5,000. Some courses you can find as cheap as $750, $500. And like I said, you don't need to pay in the beginning to learn, because all the basics and intermediate stuff is available for you online for free. So where can you find free education? Basically, the first website you can refer to is babypips.com. Babypips.com is a website that offers all type of education when it comes to Forex and many other things when it comes to investing. And you can actually refer to our PDF that we have for free that you're able to download on our website, forex.endlesslimitation.com. So that PDF is actually specifically made for a beginner trader, because it has all the basics, intermediate level, and it will actually get you to start trading, because you're able to find a broker from there, sign up for a broker, download your MetaTrader 4, connect it to there, and you can actually start practicing with a demo account. So this is the most important thing when it comes to education. You need to find the right resources. You need to find the right people that you can learn from and educate yourself from these courses and become that profitable six-figure trader that you want to become. Alright guys, so the second thing that you need is a trading setup. Well, you actually need it and don't need it at the same time. And here's why. So I'll tell you my story when I got started in the Forex market. So in the beginning I was trading with my phone, of course. That's how everybody starts, and then they have their own laptop to look at the trading view on a bigger screen, to analyze the markets, to see better actually, because I'd rather analyze the markets on a bigger screen than analyze it on my phone, because I really like to use the tools. I really like to see everything in detail, and look at the bigger time frames and smaller time frames and do all that nice work, right? And it feels even better. But here's the thing, a lot of times when you start trading in the beginning and losing money, you actually end up blaming your trading setup. And then what you will do is you will go buy two screens, you'll buy a new computer, you'll buy a new chair, you'll buy a new desk, because you want to be like, I need all this to become a profitable trader. So this is what everybody goes sometimes, not everybody, but most of the people can go through this phase of spending money on accessories before they're actually becoming a profitable trader. So it is a bad thing to do, because instead of actually spending this money on a trading setup, you could have spent it on education. You could have spent it on a better course, a better mentor that is able to teach you how to become a profitable trader. Then once you withdraw and make money, then you can actually invest back into your working space. Okay, so don't invest right away into these things, because you don't want actually to be, in a situation that you're losing more than you're making money. You know what I'm saying? So in the beginning, you can start with a laptop, your phone, start educating yourself without buying these trading setup. And then after that, when you level up, spend as much money as you can. And it feels nice when you actually, do your charts, because it is a nice vibe to be in. But at the same time, you don't want to be that guy that will spend so much money at the beginning in your trading setup. Okay, so take that advice from me. Trust me, it's gonna help you so much. It's gonna save you a lot of money, and it will, get you to a point that you're actually, invest in education rather than just investing in these things. All right, so this is basically when it comes to your trading setup. So the third thing that you need is capital. Or you can actually get funded from all the different companies out there that offer funding capital for Forex traders. So let me tell you how that works. First of all, when you want to deposit your own capital, you need to deposit anywhere from $300 to $500 or more. Let me tell you why $300, because if you deposit less than that, it's gonna be a very small capital, and so many things are gonna happen to you because you're seeing other people making thousands of dollars, and then you wanna rush the process, and at that point you're gonna over leverage. You're gonna trade bigger lot size in a small account, and then from that point it will end up blowing your account, and then you end up losing that small capital that you deposited. So a lot of people will be doing like this. So they deposit $50, they build it, they blow that account, and they deposit another $50, and then they deposit another $50, and it just keeps going, it keeps adding up, right? So instead of doing that, just deposit one amount, is $300 to $500, and then start building it consistently. So you need to work on a lot size. You need to be consistent with a lot size throughout, I would say 2 to 3 months, trading the same exact lot size to build that capital consistently, because there's so many things I can talk about when it comes to lot size and it comes to building compounding. I'm gonna talk about that in another video, but I'm just giving you a brief idea about that specific topic. You can either, like I said, you can either deposit $300 to $500, or you can get funded. Funding companies can offer up to $1 million in funding. So instead of actually risking your own capital, you're able to purchase a 100K account from these funding companies for literally $350. So they give you $100,000 to trade with, but the first account they give you is actually demo. So you need to finish the challenge that they have on their company. So what that challenge can be is basically making 10% of that 100K. So let's say if you make 10% of 100K in the first challenge, then you actually pass the test or pass the exam and become a trader for that specific funding company. So when that happens, they actually give you a live account to trade with. So that 110K becomes a live account, and you're able to make profits off of that live account and withdraw once a month. So you're able to get anywhere from 60 to 80% profit share. So let's say if you make $5,000 in that 110K account, you get to keep 80% off that $5,000, or 60%, because you need to scale up your account in order for you to get the most highest profit share. This is basically depends on, of course, the companies. There's so many companies out there that offer different challenges, different rules, different profit share, but the one I use has the most profit share that is available in all the funding companies, which is 80%, which is insane, because all you literally risking is $350, guys. So imagine you're able to deposit $350 in your account personally, right? This is your own money, so whatever you make is 100% yours, but it will take you a long time to build a small account. But of course, to become a profitable trader and to become a professional trader, you need to learn how to build small accounts in order for you to build big accounts. So you can start your own capital, no problem, or you can start right away with the funding companies and build that account to 200, 300K, and actually that account can be your own source of income. You can withdraw once a month, anytime you want, and it will be just a massive growth when it comes to bigger accounts, because the profit's not gonna be $50 to $20. It can be thousands of dollars in one trade because you're playing with a bigger lot size. Of course, like I said, they have their own rules when it comes to stop loss, when it comes to your own drawdown, when it comes to maximum drawdown. So all these things you can learn about in the website down below in the description. So these are the 3 things that I recommend, or that you need basically in order for you to start trading Forex. Like I said, education, you need a trading setup, but you don't need it at the same time. I explained to you guys why you don't need it in the beginning, but eventually you'll get your own setup. And then third thing is basically capital or funding. So, this is the information that I wanted to give you guys on this video. I hope you guys learned how to get started in the Forex market, and refer to all these resources that I gave you guys. Refer to our PDF that I told you guys about. It's on our website. You can download it in literally 4 different languages. We have English, French, Spanish, and Arabic, so 4 languages. You can choose whatever language you're most comfortable with and study it, learn it, practice it, implement everything that you learn on these charts. And then from there, you're gonna become a very profitable trader. So that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your post notifications on for all our future videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the other video.